Hello friends, in this video I am talking about what is pump alignment, why it is important and most asked interview question answer about alignment. Friends, do you like this video? Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more HVAC related video, electrical related video and so many. Okay, imagine this. Let's see the first story. Imagine this. Imagine you are standing inside a big industrial plant. Machines are humming, pipes are vibrating. Slightly everything looks peachy. Yes. Suddenly a technician runs in panicked. Yes. Suddenly technician A runs in the panic. Sir, the pump is vibrating again. Bearings are heating up. Motor is going into overload. And the senior engineer smiling and calmly say, check the alignment. Yes. In this video I am talking about most important things in this alignment. So let's get started and see. Yes, some things as simple as alignment can save an entire system. So you may be thinking, is pump alignment really that important? So let's get started and see. Friends, if the mistake is so common, fixing it becomes even more crucial. In this long, deep and beautiful simplified guide, you and I will explore what is pump alignment, what pump alignment really is, why it's extremely important, and how misalignment damage machines, and real life stories and how alignment is done, and the most valuable part, top 30 most asked pump alignment interview question answer. So let's get started and see the journey of alignment. Friends, let's begin. Step inside the real world of machinery. Friends, first see what is pump alignment. Simplified explanation. Anybody asks you, so what you say? You say in the earliest language. You say in the earliest language, pump alignment is accurately positioning the pump shaft and motor shaft in one perfect straight line. Okay, which means the shaft should rotate. Yes, the which means the shaft should rotate without sideways force and without twisting. Okay, the shaft is rotate. Okay, without vibration. Your shaft is run without vibration. Friends, without putting extra pressure on bearings. Okay, you say the what is okay. Imagine two kids holding the ends of a rope swing. If even one kid tight slightly, what happens? What happens? The rope jerks. Yes, the rope jerks, and that's exactly what happened between a motor and pump when alignment is off. Even 1 of misalignment can damage the entire system. So let's see the types of misalignment. Explain with a short story. Do you know what so many types of misalignment? There are three major types of misalignment. Let's see the three major types of alignment. First is parallel offset misalignment. Friends, imagine two kids standing on a balance beam. Two kids standing on a balance beam. They are at the same distance front and back, but one is slightly left, the other slightly right. Okay, what happens? Balance fails. Yes, what happens? Balance fails. Exactly how pump and the motor shaft act when they are not on the same central line. Okay, second is angular misalignment. What is angular misalignment? Think of closing a door whose let is the slightly tightened. It's closed but need to push harder. Okay, same with the shaft titled at an angle, force increase, vibration increase. Okay, and let's say the third is combination misalignment. Friends, the most common type, a combination of the both parallel plus angular errors. Okay, friends, this is the real William of rotating machinery is misalignment. Do you like this video? Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, damage caused by the misalignment. Let's see the real experience. Friends, during my train, during I read a story during in the storyteller training in an industry plant. A pump suddenly shut down. Vibration was so high that the pump housing shook, and root cause is just 0.8 mm misalignment. Yes, less than 1 millimeter. The damage bond bearing and the damage the coupling and the motor overheating problem of this cause, friends. And the after that mechanical seal crack, total loss more than lakh rupees. Post production plus production is downtime. Misalignment may look small, but the consequences are the major. Why pump alignment is extremely important? Let's the why pump alignment is extremely important, friends. Alignment is equal to ensure the policy of your machine. Yes, let's break it down. Why alignment is your policy of your machine, friends. First is reduce vibration. By alignment you can reduce vibration. Misalignment is equal to vibration plus failure. It's the straight line equation. Second is increase the equipment life. Proper alignment keep the bearing, coupling and the seals healthy for the long life. And third is save electricity. Misalignment shaft create the friction, motor down extra current, higher electricity bill. Okay, so you can save electricity by alignment. Fourth is prevent unplanned shutdowns. Yes, unexpected breakdown the biggest enemy of production. Yes, friends. And fifth is ensure safety. Yes, too much vibration can become a safety hazard. Yes, alignments protects people works near the machines. Okay, let's see the short story of this. A small mistake that stopped an entire plant. In a food production plant, a chilled water pumps had the minor misalignment. The technician said, "Let it runs. Nothing will happen." Within a week, the coupling broke, cooling stops. The production batch got spoiled. Less than 5 lakhs worth of production. Okay, products. Total loss 5 lakh worth of products. Moral of story: never ignore pump alignment. Friends, how pump alignment is done, beginner friendly and explanation. Friends, there are 3 popular alignments methods. Let's see the popular alignment method. First is straight edge feeler gauge method. This is the simple methods, and this is simple with the cheap method of pump alignment. And the this methods low accuracy, good for the small pumps only. Okay, and second is dial indicator method. What is dial indicator method? This is the very accurate method. You can see the dial indicator allows the run out and thermal growth checks, and required a skill for operation of these alignment tools. Okay, and third is laser alignment method. This is the best method for the alignment. This is a highly accurate method, and this is a fast method. You can align and generate reports easily with these methods, and industry standard. This is all of the best. Okay, let's see the step by step pump alignment produce. Okay, so let's get started and see. Friends, first isolate the machine, lockout, tagout, and second is check soft foot. Yes, is next clean the base. Okay, and next loosen coupling. You can loosen coupling, install dial and laser tool you want, and next is horizontal correction, and next is add horizontal correction, and next you can vertical connection, tightening both in the proper sequence. Okay, so verify final reading and verify final reading of vibration, test run, and you can check the vibration check. Okay, friends, done. Your machine is now perfectly aligned. Okay, so do you like this video? Please like this video. Let's see the top 30 most asked pumps alignment interview question answer. You are going for the interview, so interviewer can ask you. Okay, first is what is pump alignment? This is the most asked question, friends. Aligning pump and the motor shaft is one straight center line. Okay, Let's see the next question. Second is types of misalignment. Type of misalignment, first is parallel, angular and combination. Okay, let's see the next question. Number third is why is alignment important, friends? To reduce vibration, ensure machine reliability. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 4, what is soft foot, friends? When a machine foot does not fully touch the base, this is called soft foot. Okay, let's see the next question. Number 5 is types of soft foot: parallel, angular, squashy and external. Okay, let's see the next question. Number 6 is what is thermal growth, friends? Thermal growth is change in machine height due to the heat during the running condition. Okay, that's the next question. Question number 7 is what is dial indicator method, friends? Alignment using dial gauge is the measure offset and angles. Okay, that's the next question. Question number 8 is benefit of laser alignment. What is the benefit of laser alignment, friends? Fast, high accurate and reliable. That's the next question. Number 9 is type of coupling. Type of coupling: rigid coupling, flexible coupling, gear coupling, grid and tie type coupling. Okay, next question is what are seams, friends? The metal sheets used for the vertical alignment. Okay, let's the next question. Number 11 is how to decide seam thickness based on alignment reading. You can decide seam thickness. Okay, let's the next question. Question number 12 is what is runout, friends? Shaft roundness error. Okay, next question. Number 13 is dial indicator mounting angles: 0 degree, 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degree. Next question is what is slope, friends? Angular misalignment value mm per 100 mm. Okay, next question is what is offset, friends? Parallel distance between two central lines. Okay, this is offset. Next question number 16 is what is alignment tolerance, friends? Allow misalignment as per manufacturing. Okay, let's the next question. Question number 17 is pre-alignment check. What is pre-alignment check? First is soft foot check, base condition check, coupling check, bolt tightness check. Okay, that's the next question. Question number 18 is why cold alignment? Why cold alignment, friends? To compensate for the thermal rise during the running. Okay, next question number 19 is what is reverse dial method, friends? To dial indicator in opposite direction. Next question number 20 is spacer coupling alignment to plane alignment inboard plus outboard. Okay, next question 21 is what to check after alignment. First is vibration, second is temperature, third is noise and fourth is current. Okay, as the next question 22 is what is cause of misalignment? First is poor installation, soft foot, thermal change, base settlement. Okay, let's see the next question 23 is seam under motor or pumps. Usually under motor because it's movable. Okay, let's see the next question 24 is what is pipe strength, friends? Piping load shifting pumps position. Okay, let's see the next question number 25 is best tool for alignment. What is the best tool for alignment? Answer is laser alignment tool is the best tool for alignment. Okay, let's the next question 26 is what is hot alignment, friends? Checking alignment after machine reaching running temperature. Okay, let's the next question 27 is when to remove coupling guard, friends? Before alignment only you can remove coupling guard. Okay, next question 28 is common alignment mistake. First is skipping soft foot check. This is the common alignment mistake. Next question 29 is how often should alignment be done? During major maintenance or annually maintenance you can do. Okay, next question 30 is what is included in alignment report? First is before and after reading, seams, tolerance, thermal compression. Okay, that's the conclusion of this video, friends. In the world of machines, the most dangerous enemy is what is most dangerous enemy is assumption. Yes, what is assumption? Assumption is assuming that alignment is slightly off, it's run fine. This is a small assumption created big failure. Okay, if you are a technician, engineer or the maintenance professionals, okay, alignment is your most powerful skill. Okay, friends, do you like this video? And please like this video. Thanks for watching this.